What's going on, guys? It's your boy Nas. Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be talking about a stock that I am 100% bullish on, and once it goes above that $3, I am gonna make some good money, guys. And I also want you guys to get involved with this company, just because you never know. It's still too early, guys. It's still below. It's still a penny stock. To Come on, guys. So before I talk about this stock, guys, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification so you get more info on other stocks that I'll be talking about. And not only that, hit this video likes, give this video over 10 or up likes, just because it helps my channel up. So guys, so the ticker symbol BNGO, Bio Nano Mix. It's a hell of a run. I bought this stock at $1.01, thinking that, okay, this has potential. Let me wait. I bought about 30 shares. I should have bought more. Didn't have the cash on me. But, so, looking at the stock itself right now, it's at $2.83. Yesterday, it went above 278%. A month ago, 480%. So this stock with total value right now is almost 500 million. Oh God, that's a lot, guys. That's a lot for this stock itself. And not only that, it just kept rising its high. So every time it goes up, it goes beyond its high value. Then they increase it again. Then it increases again. I'm like, come on! It's the 52-week high is not able to track where this money is gonna go up. It just keeps on going. Oh my God! It's only a market capital of 431 million with 482 million value. Oh my God, guys, why aren't you getting into this? Come on now. So let's talk about the stock itself. So I went to seekalpha.com. So it says commercial stage microcap focus on genome analysts. Bngo is up 27%, which was two days ago. Average value after the company announced that its customer Praxis Genomics received accreditation from College of American Pathologists. The endorsement makes Praxis the first CAP accredited certified diagnostic lab in the U.S. to offer laboratory developed tests based on whole genome analysis with Cipher. So Bngo Cipher is used by Prius with optical genome mapping as an alternative to traditional method of chromosomal microarray and karyotyping. So typically CMA and KT diagnose 30 to 50% patient tested. According to the company, OGM and Sapphire being agreeable with CMA and KT also diagnoses a significant fraction of 18 to 25% of the most patient missed by traditional method diagnosed. Congratulating Praxis Genomics and the founder Dr. Patel Angie on the achievement. Eric Holman, the CEO of Bngo, believes it's a key step to path to reimbursement of Sapphire-based LDT by third-party payer. Oh my God, guys, this company is skyrocketing. Based on this information itself, you know this company is gonna go huge. I don't know what you guys are waiting for. Then I believe three hours ago, so the San Diego Global Newswire by Bngo announced today that Nasdaq has granted the company an additional 180-day complaints period or until June 28, 2021. So these guys are still gonna make money until then, until it gets its 180-day complaints period to regain with Nasdaq minimum $1 closing bid price for share requirement. Nasdaq determination is based on the company meeting its continued listing required for market value, health share, and other applicable requirement for nationally listing on the Nasdaq capital market. So guys, what are you guys waiting for? In the letter dated April 2020, NASA had notified the company that based on its previous 30 consecutive business days, the company's common stock no longer met the minimum $1 closing bid requirement. Therefore, according to Nasdaq listings, company initially proved 180 calendar days or until December 16, 2009 to regain its complaints. So they're taking back their complaints. They're basically saying this is not gonna be $1 per share based on what their achievement is. Oh my God, let me put you on my capital market list. Get this on the board. This is just insane. So the notification from Nasdaq has no immediate effect on the listing or the trading company's stock, common stock, which will continue to trade on the Nasdaq capital under the symbol Bngo. Guys, if you don't know this company is, I gotta say, let me scroll here. Bngo is a genome analysis company providing tools and services based on its Cypher system to scientists and clinics conducting genetic research and patient testing, and providing diagnostic testing for those autism spectrum disorder and other neurodevelopmental disability through its lineage business. BioSapphire system is a platform of ultra-sensitive, ultra-specific structural variation detection that enable research and clinic to accelerate for the search of new diagnostic and therapeutic target to streamline the study of change in the chromosome, which is cryptogenetic. Sapphire's comparison instrument. This company is skyrocketing, guys. Come on, you still got a chance. I feel like this stock is gonna go 5. Maybe today and tomorrow, or even more. I am so bullish on this, guys. If you don't trust me, I'm gonna delete this video. If this stock is not worth it, I'm gonna delete this video. Guys, I have 100% potential on this stock. Eventually, I should have bought more, but I'm gonna stick with my 30 shares and gain that money. So guys, if you love this video, give this video a like, subscribe, notification. I hope to see you guys again on the next video. This is penny stock is massive. Buy that before you lose, before you don't gain anything. It's your boy Nas, and I'm signing off. Okay.